First off, cheers. Bass and beer. Second, I came down to this pond today and I'm gonna see if I can catch some bass, guys. We got a high of about 70 today. Perfect weather. This place is definitely flooded. It's up way higher than normal, and it's definitely a little murkier than normal. Not chocolate, but definitely a little, visibility isn't as good as normal. So, but anyways, I'm gonna fish it. I'm gonna throw a bunch of different stuff at them. Nothing in particular, because I don't really know what they're hitting right now. I came down a couple days ago, fished from the bank, and caught 2 or 3 of them, and we hadn't caught any fish out of here in probably 2 weeks, you know, the few times we fished it. So I'm thinking the bite is on just a little bit, and I want to give it a try, see if we can catch some fish. I'd love to catch my PB out of here today, and I know it's in here. Let's give it a try and see what happens. I don't know, guys, the last like 5 times I fished here, I ain't had much luck. Caught a couple dinks, that's about it. And that was the last time I came, they were actually biting. Before that, I didn't catch nothing several times. So I know the fish are in here, and I know the big fish are in here. It's just getting on the bite. It's a challenge. Right now I'm throwing a fluke Texas rig. I'm not sure the fluke's going to get the job done or not. I might flip around and jig a little bit, see what happens with that. Got a spinnerbait on, a white spinnerbait as well. I may throw that some. I thought this fluke would do alright. The old country bass and jig with the rage tail on there. Green pumpkin rage tail. Alright, first one of the day. The ice is broken, thank God. Not a big one, little bitty tiny dink, but it's a fish. So, you know, you got to start somewhere for the day. So the ice is broken, we're in there. So see if we can catch some more. They should be hitting, man. I'm telling you, this weather is nice. It's warmer than it has been. You know, it was getting down to the 40s, you know, a week or two ago. Now we're up to 70 degrees, so the last few days. So should we, you'd think they'd pick that bite up just a little bit. So keep on pushing, keep on trying, so we can pull some more out. I'll take a few more like that. I'm fine with it. As long as I'm catching something. I just hate not catching nothing. I get so aggravated. Oh, that's a nice one, guys. I'm hung up one, he got me hung up. No, he's good. He's nice. That's a decent fish. Not too bad. Not too bad. A little bigger than the other one. Woo! We're upgrading a little bit. This one felt a lot bigger than what he actually is. I think he got me wrapped around a limb or something. Because when I set it, I felt him pulling, and then it was like, I gave it another little tug, and I was like, oh my God, it felt huge. And then I think he came off of it, but decent little fish though. little upgrade from the last one. So hopefully we stay on that route and keep upgrading. So not too bad. See if we can catch some more. Let's keep working. I caught that first one on a blue flake worm power bait. It's kind of like a maroonish color with the blue flake. I figured I'd switch it up. That fluke just wasn't working. So I'm gonna go with something a little darker, not like black, not too dark, just a little bit darker, and it's still got a little bit of a red tint to it. And yeah, I've picked 2 up, you know, since I switched it. So hopefully my luck continues and I catch my PB today, man. Which ain't, you know, this pond holds my personal best. I've seen it caught. So all right, let's get back at it. Hey, we're gonna cheers to that. Couple catches Yep. Feel a little bit better. The aggravation wore off just a little bit. No, they weren't big. Not a big one. Alright guys, another one. Another one, not very big, but another little guy. But they are hitting. So like I said, I've been down here probably 5 times and not freaking even got a bite, and today I'm on 3, so let's hope I can pull out the big one. They're hitting this color, and I've actually got some in this color that are 10 inches, so big bait equals big fish. So let's hope that maybe I can pull out a big one if I switch this up to a 10-inch bait. So guys, there's another one. I'm gonna get this release on it. See you, brother. Appreciate it. All right guys, I'm switching up like I was saying, and this is what I'm gonna go with. Basically pretty similar to the same color. One's got a blue flake, one's got a green flake, so this is a 10-inch worm. I've caught 3 on that, so I'm gonna throw on this 10 and see if we can catch a little better quality of fish. I mean, I could probably keep this on and keep going with the quantity, but I want quality, so we'll see if we can switch it up just a little bit. Alright, well, let's see what happens, guys. 10-inch worm, we'll find out. Above a gun over yonder. Y'all see him? Bubba! Alright guys, I'm gonna go over and chat with him for a minute, then we'll get back at it. Alright guys, let's get back at it. Let's paddle back out. Throw this 10-inch worm. Didn't have any luck. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I don't know how much luck I'm gonna have now, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna fish my way along this bank where all this stuff grew up and these stumps, and right around through there, and I'm probably gonna call it quits, head back to the house. So God dang it. Oh my God. That was a huge ass fish, guys. That was a huge ass fish. Well, it's time to pack her up, boys. Head back to the house. We caught 3. They weren't big, but whatever, it's okay. I'm happy I caught some fish. So at the end of the day, I was out here enjoying it, drank me a cold beer, and the weather was perfect today. 70 degrees, right at 70, probably about 69. I was sweating in this long sleeve shirt, so I didn't catch the beast I wanted to catch, but you know, it's still in here, and there's several. I think I'm gonna have more luck kind of in the spring. It is the middle of the afternoon, so maybe that has something to do with it. When I caught those 3, it was kind of around 11:30, 11ish. Now it's about 2 o'clock, so been here about 2.5 hours or so, and it's time to pack up and head out. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in to another Bass and Beard video, and keep an eye out for the next one. Peace.